Rudy, 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 look at mommy, look at mommy. Oh, what's that? Ruby, go ahead, Ruby. Okay. Oh. Go ahead, Ruby. Cool. Go ahead. Oh, what's in there? Oh. Come on. Rip it. There you go. There you go. All right. Come on. Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's a choo-choo train.
Look at Bubby.
Hi, Bubble.
It's a choo-choo train.
Yay!
And this is my Christmas.
My Christmas present. Yay!
Cinderella. They all have crowns.
Merry Christmas.
Is it because you haven't done your hair in the morning?
Because you're still recording.
Yeah. They just woke us up, so please forgive me if you guys are watching this 15 years from now, okay? We didn't mean not to look our best. Oh, and here's Just looking his best. Fine. Short shorts and everything. And that's Jenna's present over there. I don't know, how many are there? 7 princesses?
I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Well, lucky for you that you have a castle
Present right there.
and not a dollhouse. Oh, wave to the Christmas people, Jew.
What's that? Jenna, what is that?
What'd you get, Jew?
That's for me.
For you?
Dude.
Open it.
You're going to kill
Fidget!
Alright. Oh, Jennifer's opening?
My favorite thing! I have a fidget friend!
All right. Show it to the camera.
What was that?
I don't know.
Poke him again? Turn it.
Hilarious!
Huh.
That's annoying.
Alright. See you later, guys.